In today's video, I'll teach you how to share images on Magnifying Glass app. First of all, launch open Magnifying Glass application. You can see over here Magnifying Glass application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So if you want to share the images, first of all, take the image. Simply tap on the camera icon in order to take the image. Now after you do that, you can see over here the image has been taken. So in order to share it, what you have to do is tap on the three dots that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you'll be able to find two options: share, delete. Tap on the option share that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to share this image. You'll be able to find various options for sharing. You'll be able to find the options like quick share, photos upload to photos, Google search image, Instagram direct, etc. So you can simply tap on the medium through which you want to share the image. I'm just going to share it to the Google Photos. So for that, I'm going to tap on this option, photos, upload to photos. Now after you do that, tap on the option upload that you can see on the screen. Now this particular image will be shared and it will be uploaded to the photos. Now you can see over here the upload has been completed. Now if you open the photos, the photo has been shared over here. So like this, you'll be able to share the image. So that is how you share images on Magnifying Glass. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.